Okay, hey Kendo. This is DIY Dobson here coming to you from my very spooky basement where I am going to show you a laundry trick that will rock your laundry goals. Are you guys ready for this? So here's something they never tell you about your washer and dryer. There is this little secret trap door in your washing machine that collects dirt and grime from your dirty laundry that needs to be cleaned out. What? You're gonna call a repairman all the time to come fix it? Did you even know it needed to be fixed? I didn't either until shelter in place, when I thought, how do I clean my washer myself? Can I do that? Yes. You watch a YouTube video, they show you everything. But in this instance, you don't have to watch YouTube. I'm gonna show you the trick right now. If you have a front-loading washer like me, this style right here, this is how you're gonna clean out the filter. Sorry, everyone else, I can't help you. There is this little panel right down here at the bottom of your washer. First, what you have to do is unscrew that and take it off. Okay, so you take a screwdriver, kind of looks like this. I don't know, maybe that's a Phillips head. Somebody else in the office probably understands. And you insert it just right here. And you twist, 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 and then you insert it on the other side, twist, 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 and two screws come out, and you pull this panel off. Reach here. I'm doing this with one hand. Probably a bad idea, but there you go. You just pull it right off. Are you ready for the exciting part? See this little thing? This little guy? It's a little trap door. All you're gonna do is unscrew this and pull it out, and you're gonna see some gross stuff that you wish you would have known was there about 3 years ago, all right? When you do this, very important to know that you should unplug your washer from the wall, just in case, because when you pull out this little trap door, there might be some water, some liquid that floods out. So you could put like a little bowl under there. It's not too much water. So for the trap door, all you do is go in, turn it, turn it, turn it, and voila! Voila, people. Just disgusting. And if you haven't cleaned your washer in a few years, I can't imagine what yours is gonna look like. So I take this away, I go ahead and I just, dump this in the trash, clean that out, put it right back in, twist, 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 twist till it's tight. Put this panel goes back on. Get your screwdriver, tighten, 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 tighten right there. Tighten, 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 tighten right there. And you're in business, saving you about $120 on a repairman or something. I don't know. What would happen if that little trap just got filled up, Hate to think about it. Hate to think about how dirty everyone's clothes are still, that probably are walking around, they don't even know they need to clean this little trap out. But anyway, I hope that helps. And stay clean, my friends. Adios. P.S. Here is another quick tip on how to clean inside your washer. For those of you that have the front loader as well, things get stuck in this little trap. Let me show you. Okay, so see this? This is the drum, and then there's this like rubber gasket here. Have you ever pulled this back to realize little socks or tiny washcloths get stuck in there? Make sure you clean this out, people. Pull it back, pull out the socks. That's it. Bye.